We're here today in Fernando Air Base for our career exposure. We just arrived. This is my seatmate, Jalai. Hi.
Doon ka lang ha? Doon lang, sa airbag. Boss, saan ka Malacanang? Malacanang. Tandaw.
Pwede bang lahat ay maupo muna sa isang side?
Una, take break. Pag sumama kayo ng computer, 25 to 30 minutes, kailangan mo...
I'm scared. You're over there, and there's a hole. Gerard.
I'm parallel.
Miss, paano pag nalaglag ako dito?
Wala. Ililibing ka na lang dito.
Wait lang.
Hey guys. Hey. Yeah. Lipa. Fernando Air Base. Somewhere here. Military biking. Or Navy or whatever.
Marian, tingnan mo.
Endless love. What an endless love.
Dapat naglagay na lang sila ng compost kaya may tayo dyan. Parang aso.
I'm here walking alone to get back to my classroom. Forever alone. I'm scared to cross that thing again because I might fall. So yeah, I just hope I get back safely. Yeah, it's like being deserted in an island. I'll get back to you. Okay, so I found a better and safer way to cross the canal or whatever it is. There's a freaking bridge over here. I didn't know there was a bridge. A freaking bridge. Yeah. Tayo mo, K-pop pa. Kanta pa, bilis, kanta pa. Kanta pa ng K-pop. Ano? Oo, adik yan.
Kabisado mo, Ason.
Kanta pa. Ay, tumigil eh. Ay, tumigil sa K-pop to eh. What a random. Hi. Waiting for dismissal. Say something.
So wasted.